Hello, let's learn how to uninstall Lacerte application from our PC. So search here the control panel and navigate programs and features, and here you can see Lacerte. Right click and click on uninstall and change. Click here all Lacerte text modules and states. Click on uninstall. It will take a few seconds to uninstall your application. See, uninstall has been completed successfully. Thank you for watching.
For more support, write us to support@thesagenext.com. Call us at 855-922-7243.